Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget to MEXC without any fees. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Bitget mobile application, and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Now, if you don't have an account on Bitget or MEXC, I will put the link of those down in the description so that you could get extra sign-up bonuses. Now, once you are on this page, simply tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and over here select the option of Withdraw. Now, over here you need to select USDT and select the option of On-Chain Withdrawal. Then you will be landed on this page where by default it is going to select any of the networks for you. For USDT, I would also recommend BEP20, so you can keep it same here. Then in the withdrawal address, you need to get the address from MEXC, and for that you need to launch MEXC, then tap on the deposit option. Over here select the option of on-chain deposits, and here select USDT in the search bar. After that, you need to select the same network that was in Bitget, which in our case is BEP20. So after tapping on it, you will find the QR code and the deposit address. So you can copy it from here, then come back and paste the address in this section. Then enter the withdrawal amount, and minimum withdrawal amount is $10. So you need to make sure that you have enough amount to withdraw from Bitget. Then you will see that it is 0 fees currently showing. So for BEP20 you need to basically try to switch to the network, and for BEP20 or TRC20, and it is completely free. As you can see, for BEP20 it is completely 0 fees. So you need to select this network and confirm your transaction. So once your transaction is completed, you will get your USDT from your Bitget account to MEXC without any fees. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can do let me know that in the comment section below, and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching.